Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Sword of Convallaria game crashing on your PC. I will show you guys the different and effective solution that will fix your problem definitely. So first make a right click on your taskbar, you will see the task manager and open it. And guys, here you will see all the background application. Now you will see the memory or the CPU on the top. If these are about the 90%, then this means this is the data symbol, and on the top you will see the application that are consuming the most of your RAM or CPU on your PC. So make a right click on all of these that are useless and click on the end task. Then go to the startups on the top, and guys, here just disable all the background application you are seeing here, because this application start automatically when you start your PC and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and cause your game crash. So make sure you disable all of these. Now the next setting is the graphic settings. So go to the window search and type here the graphic settings, and it will appear on the top. So open it, and guys, here just click on your Sword of Convallaria game, then click on the options, then just select it to the high performance so it can use your all graphic card power. So to add the game, click on the browse option, and guys, here just need to locate your game installation folder where your game is installed. So just go to the location, then just select your game launcher or the exe file where your game launches, then just add this. So once you added it, now just click on your game, then just select it to the high performance. Now guys, the next important setting is the system configuration that you need to apply. So go to the Windows search, type it and open it. Now, once you open it, here you will see the boot on the top. Click on that, then just click on the advanced options. Then just select here the maximum number of processors you have. If you have the 4, 8, 16 or the any value, then just select it. Then just click on the OK. This will increase your game performance. Then you will see the services on the top. Then just click on that. Then just check this box or the hide all Microsoft services. Then just disable all of these, because these are the useless services consuming the lot of CPU or RAM and causing your game crash. So make sure you disable all of these. Then just click on the apply. Then you must need to restart your PC to apply the changes. Then launch the game, and this will fix your any kind of crashing problem in your game. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video, and bye bye and take care.